Hello, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we're talking about decluttering flat surfaces. Did you know that flat surfaces are magnetic and that they draw every odd thing that you have to them? Look at the flat surfaces in your house and see what's on them. You'll be surprised. Okay, so what are we going to do when we're doing our clutter stops? That's something to help us to keep from having new clutter building while we're trying to declutter the things that we do have. I want you to look especially at your flat surfaces. Flat surfaces are the floor, the tables, end tables, side tables, foyer tables, any tables, the counter, the island, the bedside table, the dresser tops, the counters in the bathroom. All of these areas are going to be collecting clutter. So that's where you want to start when you're doing your clutter stops. I hope you have a wonderful day.